Hello students, I hope you all are fine. Let us start with your arithmetic progression. We in the previous session discussed about the definition of arithmetic progression. We also saw different series which can be taken as arithmetic progression. Today in this session we shall discuss about general term of an AP. AP is arithmetic progression. In this, let A1, A2, A3 and so on be an AP whose first term is A1 is A and the common difference is D. Then the second term A2 will be represented as A plus D, which we can express as A plus 2 minus 1 into D. Likewise, third term A3 can be written as A2 plus D, that is common difference, equal to A plus D plus D, that is equal to A plus 2D, which again can be expressed as A plus 3 minus 1 into D. And the fourth term A4 can be written as A3 plus D, that is equal to A plus 2D plus D or A plus 3D, which again can be expressed as A plus 4 minus 1 into D. By looking at the pattern, we can say that the nth term An can be written as A plus n minus 1 into D. So, the nth term An of the AP with the first term A and common difference D can be written as An is equal to A plus n minus 1 into D. I hope it is clear. Okay. Let us start with your exercise 5.2. Fill in the blanks in the following table given that A is the first term, D is the common difference and An the nth term of an AP. We write down An as this way: A is 7, D is 3, N is 8, we have to find An. We use the same formula. We have noted down A is 7, D is 3, N is 8. By putting the values in general term, An is equal to A plus n minus 1 into D, we get An is equal to 7 plus 8 minus 1 into D. We have substituted the value of A and this is n and this is D. And on simplification we find that An is equal to 7 plus 8 minus 1 is 7, 7 3s are 21. What is 21 plus 7? 28. So, nth term is 28. Is it clear? Let us proceed to next question. Here first term A is given as minus 18. We are supposed to find the common difference D where n is 10 and An is 0. By putting the values in the general expression An is equal to A plus n minus 1 into D, we get 0 is equal to minus 18 plus 10 minus 1 into D. This, if I bring 18 to left hand side, sign will change and I will write 18 is equal to 9 into D, and on simplification we get common difference is equal to 2. Simple, is not it? Let us do the next question. Here A is equal to minus 18.9, D is given as 2.5. We are supposed to find n where An is given as 3.6. Now, in substituting this general term An is equal to A plus n minus 1 into D, we get 3.6 is equal to, what is A? It is 18.9 plus n minus 1, n I am supposed to find. So, n minus 1 into D, what is D? 2.5. Now, 3.6 is equal to minus 18.9 plus, if I multiply 2.5 into n, I get 2.5 into n, minus 2.5 into 1 is minus 2.5. Now, we can see here 2.5 into n can be written as 3.6 plus minus 18.9 minus 2.5 can be written as 21.4, and on adding I get 25. So, I will get 2.5 n is equal to 25 or n is equal to 25 divided by 2.5. If I simplify this, n is equal to 25 into 10 upon 25 and thus the value of n is 10. I hope it is clear. Yes. Let us do the next question. Here, choose the correct choice in the following and justify. 30th term of the AP. We need to find 30th term of the AP, and AP is 10, 7, 4 and so on. And we have to choose one of the options of these A, B, C and D. Let us calculate first. What is A? A is given to us as 10. How many terms? 30 terms he is asking us. And what is D? Second term minus first term. What is 7 minus 10? It is minus 3. So, by putting the values in the general form, An is equal to A plus n minus 1 into D, we get A30 is equal to 10 plus 30 minus 1 into minus 3. On simplification, A30 is equal to, what is 30 minus 1? 29. 29 into minus 3 will give me minus 87. So, 10 minus 87 is minus 77. So, children, which option is correct? Yes, C option is correct, minus 77. Is it clear? Okay, let us proceed to the next question. Here, 11th term of the AP, minus 3, minus 1 upon 2, 2 and so on. I am supposed to find the 11th term. Okay, so what is A? Minus 3, n we have taken it 11 because 11th term of AP we need to find, and what is the common difference? Common difference we take second term minus first term. So, minus 1 upon 2 minus of minus 3. Look here, minus minus will become plus, 3 2s are 6 upon 2. This gives me 5 upon 2. All right. So, D is calculated as 5 upon 2. In substituting n, An is equal to A plus n minus 1 into D, we have put the value of A as minus 3, n is 11, so 11 minus 1 and common difference is 5 upon 2. So, minus 3 plus 10 into 5 upon 2. If I cancel this, 5 5s are 25. So, what is minus 3 plus 25? It is 22. So, which option is correct here? B. I hope it is clear. Let us go to the next question. In the following APs, find the missing terms in the boxes. Here we have a box, we need to fill in this. So, 2, comma, dash, comma, 26. A is 2 and see first term, second term, third term. Third term is 26 and A2 we need to find. So, putting the values in An is equal to A plus n minus 1 into D, we get A3 is equal to A plus 3 minus 1 becomes 2D. All right. So, what is A? A is 2. On substituting the values, 2 plus 2D is equal to 26. If I solve this, 2D is 26 minus 2 or 2D is equal to 24, that means D is equal to 12. Common difference is 12 here, but I need to find second term. Look, so A2 is A plus 2 minus 1 into D, that is A plus 12 is 14. Is it clear? So, we will have 2, 14, 26. This will be our AP. Is it clear? Second term will be 14. Let us try another question. We have here one box here and 13, again one box and 3. That means I need to find A1 and A3. We are given second and fourth terms. A2 is 13 and A4 is 3. Putting the values in the general form. What is the general form? An is equal to A plus n minus 1 into D. So, A2 is equal to A plus 2 minus 1 into D is equal to 13. If I solve this, A plus D is equal to 13. I get an equation from which I can take out the value of A. What is the value of A? A is equal to 13 minus D. What about A4? A4 is 3. That means A plus 3D is equal to 3. Likewise, we have two equations here. I will take the value of A from first equation and I will substitute in second equation here. So, what do I get? Putting the value of A from equation 1, it becomes 13 minus D plus 3D. Look here, for A, I have written 13 minus D. 13 minus D plus 3D is equal to 3. What is 3D minus D? It is 2D. 13 plus 2D is equal to 3. That means, we have here 2D is equal to 3 minus 13 or 2D is equal to minus 10. That gives me D is equal to minus 5. I hope it is clear. Now, putting the value of D in equation 1, I can get the value of A. Look here, A is 13 minus of minus 5. That gives me 13 plus 5, that is equal to 18. That means, first term is 18. I hope it is clear. Now, similarly, we can find the value of A3 as A plus 3 minus 1 into D. 3 minus 1 is 2 here. So, A plus 2D, A we have already found out as 18 plus 2 into minus 5. What is 2 into minus 5? Minus 10. 18 minus 10 is equal to 8. So, A1 is 18 and A3 is 8. Both the values we have calculated. I hope it is clear. Shall we proceed to the next question? Okay. Here we have 5 and a box here and a box here and 9 and half. So, what is A? It is 5. And what is A4? 9 and half. 9 and half means 19 upon 2. 2 9s are 18, 18 plus 1 is 19 upon 2. So, A4 is 19 upon 2. We also know the nth term of an AP, An is equal to A plus n minus 1 into D. On substituting the values, A4 is equal to A plus 4 minus 1 into D. That means 3D. Okay? That is given as 9 and half, that is 19 upon 2. Look here, we have substituted the value of A, 5 plus 3D is equal to 19 upon 2. That means 3D is equal to 19 upon 2 minus 5 or 3D is equal to 19 minus 10 upon 2, that gives me 10 upon 2, sorry 9 upon 2 or 3D is equal to 9 upon 2. This 3 will go down and 3 3s are 9. So, D is equal to 3 upon 2. Look here, I get 9 upon 2. Here I can substitute A2 is equal to A plus D of 5 plus 3 by 2 gives me 6 and half. 5 2s are 10, 10 plus 3 is 13, 13 upon 2 is 6 and half and A3 is A plus 2D. I substitute the value of D here. So, 5 plus 2 into 3 by 2, 2 gets cancelled, 5 plus 3 is 8. I hope it is clear. Shall we proceed to the next question? Here we have 4 and we have 4 boxes here. First term is given to us and sixth term is given to us. What is A? It is minus 4 and A6 is 6. Alright. And on putting the values in An is equal to A plus n minus 1 into D, this is our nth term, we get A6 is equal to A plus 6 minus 1 into D, that is equal to 6. That means A plus 5D is equal to 6. A is given to us as minus 4. Let us substitute here. Minus 4 plus 5D is 6. That gives me 5D is equal to, what is 6 plus 4? 10. So, D is equal to 2. I have got common difference as 2. Now, it becomes very easy for us. I know the value of A, I know the value of D, I can calculate the other values. A2 is A plus D. What is A? Minus 4 plus 2, that is equal to minus 2. Now, third term as we know A plus 2D. So, A is minus 4 plus 2 into 2. What is minus 4 plus 4? It is 0. Likewise, what is A4? A plus 3D, that is equal to minus 4 plus 3 into 2. 3 2s are 6. What is 6 minus 4? it is 2, and fifth term, that is a plus 4d. A is minus 4 plus 4 into 2, 8 minus 4 is 4. So, we have calculated the values for the boxes. Second term is how much? We got second term as minus 2, third term as 0, fourth term as 2 and fifth term as 4. I hope it is clear. Shall we go to the next question? Which term of the AP 3, 8, 13, 18 is 78? Beautiful question. We have, let us note down what is given to us. A is 3 and what is common difference? Common difference you always calculate by subtracting first term from second term, that is 8 minus 3 is 5 and an is given to us as 78. Now, we have the formula for nth term. An is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. What is an? It is 78 is equal to a is 3 plus n minus 1. N I am supposed to find, which term means n I have to find. D is 5. Now, if I bring 3 to left hand side, 78 minus 3 is equal to n minus 1 into 5. What is 78 minus 3? Very good, 75 is equal to, if I open the brackets, I will get 5n minus 5. Now, look, if I bring minus 5 to left hand side, 75 plus 5 is equal to 5n. Okay. What is 75 plus 5? 80. 80 is equal to 5n. That gives me n is equal to 80 divided by 5. So, 5 ones are 5, 3 carries. So, 16 we get here, n is equal to 16. That means 16th term of the AP is 78. I hope it is clear. Shall we go to the next question? Okay. Find the number of terms in the following AP. Here I am supposed to find number of terms. So, what is A? 7. What is D? Second term minus first term, I think it is 6. And what is An given? An is equal to 205. So, we have the formula with us. An is equal to A plus n minus 1 into D. So, An is 205 is equal to, let us substitute the values, 7 plus n minus 1 into D. D is 6. Now, if I bring 7 to left hand side, minus 7 is equal to, I get n minus 1 into 6. Now, if I open the brackets, 6n minus 6, here 205 minus 7, what do we get? 198. If I bring 6 to this side, 198 plus 6 will give me 6n. Now, what is 198 plus 6? 204. So, n will be 204 divided by 6. I can cancel 2 3s are 102. Again I can cancel 3 3s are 9 and 4. 3 4s are 12. Therefore, number of terms are 34. We were supposed to find number of terms. So, number of terms for this AP are 34. I hope it is clear. Shall we go to the next question? We have check whether minus 150 is a term of the given AP. AP is 11, 8, 5 and 2. So, what is the first term given to us? It is 11. What is D? Second term minus first term, that is equal to minus 3. And I need to check whether minus 50 is a term. So, let me use my formula. An is equal to A plus n minus 1 into D. An is minus 150, let me substitute here, A is 11 plus n minus 1 into D. What is D? It is minus 3. So, minus 150 minus 11, if I bring 11 to left hand side, I will have minus 3n plus 3. Look here, when I multiply, minus 3 into n is minus 3n, minus 3 into minus 1 is plus 3. Here I get minus 161 minus 3 is equal to minus 3n. I hope you have understood this. 3 we have brought to left hand side, it will have a minus sign. So, minus 164 is equal to minus 3n. We have minus sign on both the sides. Let me make them plus, signs will change. Now, let us find out the value of n. 164 upon 3 is equal to n. Now, 164, see 6 plus 4 is 10, 10 plus 1 is 11. So, it is not divisible by 3, right. 164 by 3, 3 5s are 15 and 3 4s are 12. I am getting n as a 54 2 upon 3, it is not a whole number. Okay. Since n is not a whole number, I can say minus 150 is not a term of the given AP. Is it clear? Okay, let us do the next question now. Here we have a question which says an AP consists of 50 terms, okay, of which third term is 12 and the last term is 106. We are supposed to find 29th term. Okay. So, A3 is given to us as 12, that means third term is 12. I can write A plus 3 minus 1 into D as 12, which I can simplify as A plus 2D is equal to 12, or A can be written as 12 minus 2D. Let us take this as equation number 1. Okay. And we are also given that A50 is 106, as it says last term is 106. Look, beautiful question. He says 50 terms are there and the last term is 106, means it is conveyed that A50 is equal to 106 and we are supposed to find 29th term. So, A50 is 106 means A plus 49D is equal to 106. So, putting the value of A from first equation in this equation, look at this, A is equal to 12 minus 2D plus 49D is equal to 106. What is 49D minus 2D? 47D. So, we get 47D is equal to 106 minus 12, that gives me 94, and thus the value of D is 2. I hope it is clear. Now, putting the value of D in first equation, what do I get? A is equal to 12 minus 2D, 2 2s are 4. What is 12 minus 4? It is 8. So, therefore, A29 as I was supposed to calculate, it can be written as A plus 28D. On substituting the values, A is 8 plus 28 into 2. So, 28 2s are 56, 56 plus 8 is 64. Therefore, 29th term of the AP is 64. I hope it is clear. Shall we go to the next question? If the third and the ninth terms of an AP are 4 and minus 8 respectively, which term of this AP is 0? Very nice question. A3 is 4 and A9 is minus 8. To find n, we will take An is equal to 0. So, A3, as we know, we can write it as A plus 3 minus 1 into D, that is equal to 4, or A plus 2D is equal to 4 means A is equal to 4 minus 2D. Okay, let us take as equation number 1. A9 is equal to minus 8 means A plus 8D is equal to minus 8. Here putting the value of A from equation 1, what is A? 4 minus 2D. If I put this 4 minus 2D plus 8D is equal to minus 8, what do I get? 8D minus 2D is 6D. 6D is equal to minus 8 minus 4. If I take it to other side, it will give me minus 4. Minus 8 minus 4 is minus 12. On simplifying, I get the value of D as minus 2. Putting the value of D in equation 1. What is my equation 1? A is equal to 4 minus 2D. Look here, A is equal to 4 minus 2 into minus 2. 2 2s are 4 and minus minus will become plus. So, 4 plus 4 is 8. Okay. Therefore, An is A plus n minus 1 into D. I can write 8 plus n minus 1 into minus 2 is equal to 0. On simplifying, I get n minus 1 is equal to 4 and n is equal to 5. Is it clear? Hence, the fifth term of the AP is 0. Did you understand? Okay. Shall we go to the next question now? The 17th term of an AP exceeds its 10th term by 7. Find the common difference. Okay. What is 17th term? Shall I write it as A17? It exceeds the 10th term, exceeds the 10th term by 7. Is it clear? 17th term exceeds the 10th term, that means it is bigger with the 10th term by 7. How I can write A17? A plus 16D. A plus 17 minus 1 into D is A plus 16D minus, what is 10th term? A plus 10 minus 1 into D is 9D is equal to 7. If I open the brackets, A plus 16D minus A minus 9D is equal to 7. Just observe, if I open the bracket, signs will change. What is A minus A? They get cancelled. What is 16D minus 9D? Yes, you are right. 7D is equal to 7. So, D is equal to 7 upon 7 is 1. Find the common difference. I think this is the common difference. D is equal to 1 is the answer. I hope it is clear. Shall we go to the next question? For what value of n are the nth terms of the two APs 63, 65, 67 and 3, 10, 17 etc. are equal? Very interesting question. First term of the AP, A is 63, look here, and the common difference is how much? 65 minus 63. We are using capitals here, see, it is 2. An we are representing as A plus n minus 1 into D. So, our expression becomes 63 plus n minus 1 into 2. First term of the second AP, look this AP. We have what is first term here? It is 3, and what is the common difference? 10 minus 3 is how much? 7. Okay. So, An is equal to A plus n minus 1 into D. If we express the values in this, on substituting we get 3 plus n minus 1 into 7, and according to the question both the APs have nth term as equal. So, I will just equate these. 63 plus n minus 1 into 2 is equal to 3 plus n minus 1 into 7. I hope it is clear. Now, if I solve this, 63 plus what is 2 into n? It is 2n minus 2, okay, and 3 plus 7n minus 7. Look here, 3 plus 7n minus 7. What is 63? Here we have got 63 minus 2 is 61. 61, and if I bring here minus 4 to this side, it gives me 65 is equal to what is 7n minus 2n? It is 5n. Therefore, n is equal to 65 upon 5, and that gives me 13. So, the 13th term of both the APs are equal. I hope you have understood. Let us go to the next question now. Question is, Subbarao started working in 1995 at an annual salary of rupees 5,000 and received an increment of 200 rupees each year. in which year did his salary reach 7,000 rupees? Beautiful question. See, increment of 200 rupees means that will be common difference for us. And what will be the first term? Because he started his salary with the first salary as 5,000. So, our first term will be 5,000 and annual increment is given to an employee every year annually. So, let us take that as common difference as 200. After n years his salary becomes 7,000. So, I need to find this n. After how many years his salary becomes 7,000. So, let us take a n is equal to 7,000. We have nth term as a plus n minus 1 into d is equal to 7,000. On substituting the values of a, 5,000 plus n minus 1 into 200 is equal to 7,000. So, n minus 1 into 200 is equal to 7,000 minus 5,000 gives me 2,000. Now, n minus 1 is equal to 2,000 divided by 200 gives me 10. So, n minus 1 is equal to 10, that gives me n is equal to 10 plus 1 is 11. That means, after 11 years his salary will become 7,000. Did you understand? Yes? Okay. Now, you take down some questions for homework. We have first question for you. Determine the AP whose third term is 5 and the seventh term is 9. Second question, check whether 301 is a term of the list of numbers 5, 11, 17, 23 and so on. Third question, how many 2-digit numbers are divisible by 3? Fourth question, find the 11th term from the last towards the first term of the AP 10, 7, 4, so on minus 62. Fifth question, in a flower bed there are 23 rose plants in the first row, 21 in the second, 19 in the third and so on. There are 5 rose plants in the last row. How many rows are there in the flower bed? Simple questions, students, please try them. Now, let us look into the summary what we have discussed in this session. Here we have studied about the general term of an AP if A1, A2, A3 be an AP whose first term is A1 is A and common difference is D, then the second term will be A2 is equal to A plus D, that is equal to A plus 2 minus 1 into D, and third term A3 will be A2 plus D. I can write it as A plus D, that is equal to A plus 2D, which can be expressed as A plus 3 minus 1 into D. And similarly, fourth term A4 can be written as A3 plus D, that is equal to A plus 2D plus D, that is equal to A plus 3D, which can be expressed as A plus 4 minus 1 into D. By looking at the pattern, we can say that the nth term can be written as an is equal to A plus n minus 1 into D. So, the nth term an of the AP with first term A and common difference D is given by an is equal to A plus n minus 1 into D. So, students, I hope you have understood today's session. Please practice these questions. I hope you will enjoy them. Thank you.